birthday tonight. I thought it would be very fun if we try an amazer. But what should we do though? Well, I've seen some of my dad's friends give him a customized card. Let's try it together today, shall we? What do we require to do this? All you'll be needing is a device. Apple or Android, a web browser, Google or Safari, and a pinch of your creativity. Okay guys, so first go to your web browser and search greetingsisland.com. So this is the website. You can also download the app on the Play Store or the App Store. Now click on a button right here next to the icon to search for any occasion. I am searching birthday. Now you can choose between a ton of templates that they give. Ooh, I like this. Now once you chose your template, just click on the green button called customize. So now this is the front page. If it says add photo, just click on the icon and it will show like this. Click on the green button called from device or the white button called from Facebook. So you can also add effects here. Now to change the text, just click on the text and it will highlight with a red color and will bring up this box which is called a dialog box. Now just click on the edit button right here. Edit. Now you can type your text here. There are many more options called font, size, color and align. Just click on what you want to edit and then edit it. So once you're done with the front guys, just go to the inside by clicking on the button called inside. So this is the main layout of what it looks like in the inside. But if you're not happy with it, just click on the layouts button right here. Now then choose your favorite layout. I like this. So once you're done editing in the inside, just go to the back. For the back here, I don't want any text. So I just click on the text. But instead of clicking edit as we normally do, I'll click on color. And then choose the 3 dots button for more other colors. And choose white. Now with this, my editing is done. So just click on the next button right here. And then it will give you 3 options. You can either print now, send online or download as a PDF. I'm going to send online. So there are some options here. So you can send via email or WhatsApp, SMS, Facebook, Messenger, Twitter or copy the link. I'm going to copy the link. So it says like this, link created. Then you have to click copy to clipboard. Now once it says copy, just go to your WhatsApp and then send it to whomever you want. Okay guys, let's hope she likes it. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And I'll be seeing you with a new video soon. Bye guys.